Hello and welcome back to the Custom Stickers YouTube channel. Today we're going to walk through how to create a sticker cut line around an image using Adobe Illustrator. When ordering stickers from customstickers.com, our team automatically creates a cut line for you. However, if you'd like a specific cut line or want to make one yourself, you're always welcome to do that. Let's jump right into it. First, open up Adobe Illustrator and upload the image you're going to use to create your cut line. Then set up your workspace. We recommend using the tracing workspace, which you can find under the window menu. Make sure you have the following panels visible: layers, image trace, properties, pathfinder, and transform. Next, resize your image to the size you want your final sticker to be. We want our sticker to be 3 inches at most. So we'll go to the transform panel and set the largest dimension, in this case the width, to 3 inches. You'll see that the height adjusts automatically. It's important to keep constrained proportions on so that when you resize, the image aspect ratio stays locked. Now we'll duplicate the layer and rename the layers to make them easier to work with. You can name them however you'd like, but for this tutorial, we'll rename layer 1 as image and layer 1 copy as cut line. Select the cut line layer, then go to the image trace panel and set the threshold to 245. You can adjust the advanced options as needed. Next, toggle preview on to make sure the trace follows your image cleanly and doesn't include any random spots. Once everything looks good, click expand to execute the trace. Now we'll start creating the cut line. Go to Object, Path, Offset Path. We recommend an offset of 0.08 inches with joints set to round and meter limit set to 4. Click OK. Select the cut line layer, then open the Pathfinder panel and click Unite to merge everything together. Next, go to Toolbar and click the small double arrows to switch the cut line layer from a fill to a stroke. Now we can see the base of our cut line. You may notice a few small spaces you'll want to fill in. Use the rectangle tool to draw small shapes that connect those open cut line areas. You might also see a few tiny gaps between letters. Fill those in as well. Make sure you're still on the cut line layer, then use Unite in the Pathfinder panel again to merge everything. Next, we'll smooth out the cut line. With the cut line layer selected, right click on the layer and select Smooth from the menu. Use the toolbar setting to adjust and smooth out any bumps. Smooth it to your preference. Now select both layers and do a final resize. Resize it back to the size you set at the beginning, in our case 3 inches. Remember, we're only resizing the largest dimension and the second size will auto adjust as long as constraints are locked. Now you can save your file as a PDF and upload it to customstickers.com when you're ready to place your order. And that's it. You're all set to create a custom die cut line on your image file. That was a lot to say, but thank you for watching. For more tips, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and of course, place an order yourself. See you next time.